Hello world, welcome back to the Razor RC, and got a fun video for you today. I got a chance to actually check out the Kyosho Headquarters down in Southern California, down there in Lake Forest. This is their US headquarters, pretty much a big warehouse where all the product comes in from Japan. From the parent company of Kyosho, and then I think it arrives by ship into Southern California, and then from there it gets redistributed to other distribution centers like A-Main or HRP or Horizon Hobby and whatnot. I think they also do some direct sales to certain stores and stuff, so they do have a sales presence as well. But yeah, they were super nice and kind enough to let me take a look inside the headquarters. Unfortunately, I don't have any video or pictures or anything of inside the building. Obviously, it's not really open to the public. It's not like a showroom or store or anything like that. It's just their main offices and warehouse center there in Southern California. But it was pretty nice of them to let me take a look around. And I can give a little description of what it's like inside. It's got offices, it's got a big warehouse, conference rooms, that kind of thing. A lot of like historical products that they've collected through the years. Pretty neat little collection of stuff. Those of you not familiar with Kyosho, they do more than just 10 scale off-road stuff, which is kind of what I'm more familiar with, but they obviously have stuff on the 8 scale side. They obviously have stuff like on the helicopter, motorcycle, boat side as well, so all kinds of surface products, aerial products. And then they're huge obviously in Mini Z. Mini Z is sort of the miniature race cars, super big in Japan, also popular in the US on sort of this on-road racing scene. Now, they used to actually have a racetrack inside. I think it's called Route 241. So there's still signs and stuff that show you, hey, come around to the side of the building and go to Route 241. But fortunately, the track is closed now, so there's nothing there for you to race on. I think it used to be open to the public, actually. A little cool Mini Z track that was running for a few years there. I think it was built like in 2013 or so, I want to say. But yeah, it has been closed for a while now. So inside was pretty cool. Big warehouse, tons of products as you might imagine, although stuff is selling super fast. They have all their re-release stuff, their Mini Z stuff, their off-road stuff, their scale replica stuff, all kinds of cool stuff there. I think it's also kind of a service and support center as well. So they're sort of fixing things and that kind of thing. So really neat to take a look inside, and certainly was an honor for me to actually get a peek inside of what it's like inside Kyosho. And to kind of top it all off, they gave me a chance to take a look at the brand new Madvan VE. This just got released last week. We did a little unboxing there on site inside the Kyosho headquarters. Check out this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a super big shout out and thanks again to the fine folks at Kyosho. And also check out Kyosho at your local hobby shop or online. The Madvan is retailing for $279.99, I think it is. 2S, 3S capable, 4-wheel drive, and then a really nice body. So cool to see Kyosho kind of focusing more on the on-road scale stuff. They got a lot of stuff based on their Fazer platform, 10 scale, a lot of like muscle car bodies from Chevy, Dodge, etc. And it's pretty neat that segment of the market has been taking off. I think off-road is kind of slowed down a bit. The racing stuff has kind of died down or so in the last year, and people are getting more into the drag car on-road replica side. So there's a shift I see in the market. It's a little bit different. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Look for more videos soon, and thanks for watching. I'm over at the Kyosho headquarters in Southern California, and they were kind enough to let me take a look at the brand new Madvan VE. Just got released, I think, a couple of days ago. $280 RTR, what they call the Ready Set. Super cool looking little van, 4-wheel drive platform. And this just got announced and pretty much released a couple days ago, so you can pick one of these up at your local hobby shop or online. And we're gonna take a look at this sweet little steel 4-wheel drive monster truck van, I guess is what you would call it. So it's kind of got that Chevrolet style looking body. It's really, really nice, lustrous, like deep candy apple paint job, unbelievable paint job. Tinted windows, you got the chrome mirrors, you got the two-tone paint, these nice little sort of chevron style wheels, even little stickers for the windshield wipers, And yeah, we'll take a quick look at the radio as well. So this is the Synchro KT231P. Pretty cool little radio. Actually, I haven't used a Kyosho radio before, but it's got the foam wheel kind of offset, angled forward. A lot of dials, actually more adjustments than you would normally see on an RTR radio. Even throttle EPA is pretty amazing. Of course, all your normal reversing, power LED, and I think a little battery flashing light there. Adjustable dual rate, steering trim, throttle trim, 2.4 gigahertz. I think it takes 4 AA, so pretty nice little radio, even in the matching red. And then here's the little details of what else comes in the box. You got the manual. I think this is a wing that you can mount onto the back, blind plug, a little metal tool to make adjustments, different turnbuckles or rod ends, some tools. So yeah, pretty cool little new RTR. So we'll take a look underneath the hood. Even has little light buckets for LED, so you can mount your own little headlights and tail lights and stuff. Super nice body. I mean, this thing is this is better than I could paint myself, honestly. So looking at the chassis, you got the, I think these are plastic shocks, but it's got the aluminum shock caps for additional durability. Adjustable shock positions here on the bottom. Preload spacers up top, double wishbone suspension. I believe it's metal gear differentials front and rear. And then here's a little power plant. It says it runs on 2S with the Torx 10E, although the EC actually says 3S capable. So for those of you more adventurous, you could try that out. And then here's a nice little battery tray with adjustable foam, battery strap, of course, Dean's connector. And then I believe it's got some, looks like some kind of slipper or diff right there. I'm not sure what's going on, or maybe that's just a fixed spur. Probably just a fixed spur there. Going to the rear end, wheelie bar, plastic, adjustable body mounts. Looking at the rear end, double wishbone suspension, of course. Pretty large sized hubs here in the back. Yeah, but this is a pretty nice looking little vehicle. Obviously, you're not gonna launch this 30 feet in the air, but for sort of like taking out to a little dirt area or the park or whatever, this thing would be perfect. Plastic chassis, looks like servos underneath here, and then I'm not sure where this looks like. This is the receiver there. So yeah, Kyosho's been really killing it here in the sort of replica, or sort of, I don't know what you call this, sort of the fun side of RC. Yeah, that's the new Madvan VE. Pretty cool. I might have to get one of these myself, honestly. You know, I was kind of amazed, honestly, when I first saw this body, because this is one of the coolest looking little bodies I've ever seen on an RC car. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons, and definitely check out your Kyosho line at your local hobby shop or online. A-Main, Hobby, Recreation Products, etc. All the main distributors will carry Kyosho.